The lesson that we're working on now is graphs of other functions. Make sure you take the quiz first. It has 10 questions. All right, how does it work? Without actually plotting the points, match the graph defined by the absolute value function shown here. Just like we were doing with the other functions that we were dealing with last unit, we can tell that what the x-coordinate is and the y-coordinate is. The x is right here, but you have to switch the sign from negative to positive, and then the y-coordinate is here. So over 2, up 2, and it looks like letter A matches because the absolute value function is a v. Next one. What's different about this one? Oops. Once again, the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate are given. Change the sign of that one, and but leave this sign alone, and that's the y. So it's over 2, down 2, and then a regular v, so it'll be letter C. Next one, if you notice, it doesn't change any along the y, just along the x, and it goes back 1 along the x-coordinate, so it'll be negative 1. Now, it would be D if it'd be negative absolute value. All right, how about this one? 1 over x plus 2. Notice there's no change in the x, and so it will be a regular inverse function. And this function ordinarily looks like, well, here's the axes. Ordinarily, this function would look like this. But since it's plus 2, so the center, instead of being here at 0, 0, is at 0, 2. So it'll be moved up 2, which would be like letter C. Square root function. Ordinarily, the square root function starts at 0 and goes up like that, but this one is, the center is at 4, 0. Notice the number connected with the x, we change the sign. So we go forward 4, but don't change any along the y, so it's letter A. Number 6. Now we've got an inverse function, and there is a change. This time the change is connected with the x. The center shifts down, or I'm sorry, up 3. So instead of being at 0, 0, it shifted forward 3. So the center is now here. And so it's going to come in like that. 3, 0. Looks like letter C. Number 7. Now we've got changes in both axes. Changes in both axes. It's a square root function. Remember, square root looks like this. Ordinarily, well, it doesn't come back down. Ordinarily, but in this case, it moves back 4 along the x and down 4 along the y. So back 4 along the x, down 4 along the y, looks like this one right here, letter B. If you do have any questions, you can contact me. I guess I didn't quite finish this one. We need to know the domain of the function. the domain, that's where it starts in the x, and it starts at negative 4 to infinity, and the range starts at negative 4 to infinity also. Looks like letter A is the correct answer. That's it.